Do you have a wobbly ceiling fan in your house? Because I do right here. This is how to fix your wobbly ceiling fan. Alright, so first let's turn off the, oops. First let's turn off the power. Then we need to bring over the ladder. And this only works for fans that have down rods. And this might not be the cause of your fan's wobble, but if you look up here, you see those screws? Wait, why is that so? Zoom out. Sorry that it's a bit blurry. You see that screw right there, and that screw, and that screw. You see those screws? Those screws might be making it be wobbly, but first, check to see if that's actually the cause of the wobble. Like, look, it's my fan's wobble caused because you see that up there, it's not the down rod moving. So if you try to move it from the down rod and it's wobbling, try to gently move it from here to see if everything's wobbling. And if it is, like how my fan is, as you can pretty easily see with the pull chains, then you need a screwdriver, and then you can try to tighten up those screws. Like mine was, this screw is pretty loose, and your fan might not have all these screws. Your fan might just have one screw, and that already is better, but I can see that there's a loose one right there. So you want to tighten that up. And then I see that there's one right there, but that won't fit the screwdriver, and it looks pretty tight. So then let's look to see if that helps. Here's what the light looks like. It's kind of not the nicest light ever. Definitely way better. There's still a small wobble, but there's not that much of a wobble. And if that didn't help it, then you see how my fan's blades are kind of like, well, it's kind of hard to see in the video. Wait, maybe if I turn it on medium, it will be easier to see. Can you see how one of the blades are like a bit higher up, if that's a bit easier to see? Actually, I think low could make you be able to. Let's see if low. Yeah, you see how one of the blades are like higher up than the other ones? That is because that's, then you would need like some weights, but but that's a different type of wobble. So bye.